Hi there, students. Guffaw. Guffaw. Okay, it's a verb to guffaw and also a noun, a guffaw. Okay, to guffaw means to laugh. A big belly laugh, a loud, strong, vigorous laugh. To laugh loudly. When the comedian slipped on a banana, the audience guffawed. They let out a loud guffaw. Okay, so it's a loud laugh. He burst into a loud guffaw, a roar of laughter, a bellow of laughter. Yes, the students were guffawing at the teacher, and then the teacher got angry. Okay, he guffawed at the joke. He bellowed with laughter at the joke. Very often to guffaw is when people are laughing at something stupid that somebody said or that somebody has done. Yeah. He guffawed at the things I said because he considered them ridiculous to laugh at. Papa. Yeah, they're of no importance. Okay, so he guffawed as if I had told a really funny joke. Okay, I think maybe also a guffaw is just a short laugh. It's very strong, but not very long lasted. Yeah, an extremely loud guffaw broke the silence. To laugh very heartedly. Yeah, to bellow with laughter. Yeah, because something's really funny. He always starts guffawing when the boss tells a joke because that's the way he is going to get on in the office. To cackle with laughter. Yeah, to be rolling on the floor laughing, to die laughing, to split your sides. Yeah, and this is the idea of to guffaw. So, question, formality. I think I'm going to give this word a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. I think it's a good word to use because it's a good alternative for laugh. It's a much more vivid word. Notice, to laugh at something, to laugh at somebody. So, to guffaw at something, to guffaw at somebody. Remember the preposition, that's important. And then as to origin, I think this is probably just onomatopoeia. It sounds like what it means. Guffaw, 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 guffaw. Yeah, well, I should have done it loudly, but that's the idea of it. So to laugh, to guffaw, a regular verb. He guffawed at the joke. He's guffawed at this type of suggestion before. Notice, yeah, to guffaw, intransitive, to guffaw at something. If you want to give it, I think that is probably it's probably a direct object. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video and didn't guffaw the whole way through it, give me a rating. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Guffaw, to guffaw.